In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your Airtable database into a fully functional paid membership site using Softr, all without writing any code. If you're offering premium content, digital products, or private dashboards, this is perfect setup. Start by creating a table in Airtable called users or members. Add fields like name, email, access level, or in any custom info you want to show to each user. Then set up a table to your premium content, linking it with specific access level or user IDs. Now go to Softr.io and sign in and create a new app. Choose the membership site template to start from scratch. Connect your Airtables, then drag in login sign up blocks so users can register and sign in. Next, go to pages and make sure to set access restriction based on user groups or fields in Airtable. This way, only paying users can access certain content pages. To make a paid membership site, head to integrations, Stripe, and connect your account. Then drag in a pricing checkout block, link it into a Stripe product, and set it to update the user's access level field in Airtable once payment is successful. You can do this using Zapier or make Integrament for automation. And that's it. You've now turned your Airtable into a fully functional paid membership site using Softr. It's fast, clean, and totally no code. If this video did help, make sure you subscribe and like.